In this video, you will learn how to build a stamp application with a simple animation. We will use Claude Code, and it is very simple. Anyone can do it because all you need to know is to understand how to do a good prompt structure. I will explain each part in the prompt step by step. First, I asked ChatGPT to generate stamp clipper image with a PNG background, and I added to Figma because I need to mask the center with this black stamp so we can see through it. And when we take in a photo, we will also clip it with this black stamp, and it will be like this. And if you don't know how to clip the image in Figma, it is very simple. Just add the black one on top. We select the black and the big image. Here is the mask, and choose the second one. For this prompt, there are a few important things to understand first. Start by clearly telling Claude what role it should take. Say that Claude is professional iOS developer, strong knowledge with SwiftUI, AV Foundation for the camera and custom animations. This helps Claude think like a senior developer from the beginning. Then mention the image's name because they already in the project file and he should know. Start telling him what to build. We will have two screens. The home view with the grid will be 2 rows like this, and in the bottom right will be in a plus button to open the camera. The camera view will be in a full screen and will clip with a stamp, and the stamp will be always visible on top of the camera, and the photo will be masked by the stamp shape. Then give the important behave details, like how the photo should be clipped and the animations. Try to give Claude much details as possible. Also tell Claude to think like a senior iOS developer reviewing the application, the UX, animations, technology issue. When you tell him that, Claude, he will start asking these questions and answer, and he will learn more about our application. After that, ask it to ask you anything that could improve the result. Finally, tell it to generate the Claude MD file that keeps all the project rules and details in one place. This will help Claude to know more about our application and rules. And when you ask it to do something, he always return to this file, read all the details, and he will give you better result. First, I switched to the plan mode so Claude could create a clean plan. Then I answered all the questions. After that, I accept the plan and start building. Because we're using the camera, we need to add the permission to the info list to ask the user for the permission to use the camera. Once we get the first result, there is some problems with the UI, and the main issue was the photo result. When I take the photo, it did not clip into small stamp shape. Instead, is showing the entire photo. Because the problems are small, I don't need to create perfect prompt anymore. Keep everything simple, and I will treat it like normal conversation. For example, here I will just explain the issue directly and tell Claude that the app is not clipping the small stamp part of the photo. Also, we had a problem with the stamp size, so I asked Claude to make it bigger. He fixed that one on the first try. Then we have a problem with the clip area. The part should be empty because the photo is already clipped inside the stamp shape. Also, I don't like the animation is going all the way up. It will be better if just 25 frame up and have some rotation left or right. I think now is much better. It's very minimal animation and the clip working well. but is missing something. We need to give the user the ability to download the image to the photos or share it with friends. And this is what I asked Cloud to do.